I am a keyboard fan, and I'm the PC expert too, but I'm an amateur. So you can call me the PC expert amateur or keyboard expert amateur if you want. This review is of the Abyssal Revelry Keycaps Blue Waves PBT 143 keys cherry profile for the cross post style, 5-sided die sublimation matte finish compatible with 175, 65, and 60% keyboards. And when I said 143, you can feel free to count them yourself. I'm not going to. So what you first thing you'll notice is that, well, I can't really get close enough for you possibly to notice, but you might notice that the font that they've used is similar to a combination of the digital font and then something else. So it's more of a SpongeBob font, but I don't think they deliberately stole the SpongeBob font. Do you? Is it still under patent? I don't know, but you can see that there's very little other than blue lettering, blue characters on the key top, except for like this and that and a little bit here. And then, of course, there's a whole bunch more over here. We've got a little bit more on these space bars. I would, say that this is a really nice set for people interested in the ocean and children. And you can see that along the sides of the keycaps, there are waves and critters. So this is pretty nice, pretty complete. If you have got a standard keyboard of one size or the other, you should be able to make use of this quite well. I've got a non-standard keyboard with a different kind of keycap, so I can't use this. And frankly, it's not, I mean, I love the ocean, don't get me wrong, but it's not really my style. But I'm sure somebody would love this. But yeah, so it's cute. It's cute. It's even sometimes pretty. But I see an anglerfish and turtle, and of course there's the dolphin and the starfish. And I see what looks like a shrimp. Yeah, there's a bunch of them on here. Some are easier to see than others. So if your kid or you are into the ocean, then you might want to take a look at this one. It's called Blue Waves. All right, that's really all I can tell you. I will do this. I'm going to run these by the camera as close as. Hold on, let me make sure I'm not making the image too. Bleh. I don't want to get too close. All right, I'm going to put it by the camera so that you can see everything from the top. And there you go. And then, of course, the backside is nothing exciting, but it's that. And this is a really nice packaging for this. I have another one to review, and the packaging for that one is such that, well, they kind of fell out and turned over and did other annoying things. And that, yeah. But they're pretty. So that's it for this one. I don't know what else to tell you other than die sublimation is a pretty cool technique for making these keycaps look interesting. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
I need to ask for your help. Things have been challenging. Whose life hasn't been challenging lately? So if you can please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications, that would be really, really super. Also, if you'd like to help me financially and you can't afford to, you can do a super thanks on my Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, or you can become a member there. Or if you prefer, you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there instead. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Bleeping Computer for their support of my channel. If you need resources for computers, for getting rid of malware and learning about cybersecurity and stuff, Bleeping Computer, BLEEPING computer.com is a great resource. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.